Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to copy and paste image in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel spreadsheet. Now we want to copy and paste image. At first, go to the insert menu. Select the picture option, then choose this device. Then select any image from our file. Now I am select the image and click insert. Then select the image and resize this. Now we want to copy and paste the image. Go to the home menu, select copy option, then click another cell and click paste option. Now we can see we copy and paste image easily. You can copy paste multiple image. Select any image, then press and hold the shift, select multiple image and copy this, then click another side and paste this. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.